NBC 15 weather with Chief Meteorologist Thomas Keyboy.
Good evening, Gulf Coast. I hope that you had a great Tuesday. We're going to start off with your next weather maker headlines, which include lowering rain chances. So the rain chances will be falling, but of course we know this time of year, as rain chances fall, temperatures will begin to climb. It's been really nice to get a break from the heat over the last couple of days. It was only a matter of time before we start to go back to reality. The good news is, though, as we just kind of venture towards the tropics, things are nice and quiet, and we're expecting the tropics to stay quiet over the next 7 days. On the bigger picture of things, on the satellite and radar, our weather maker that's kept things a little bit unsettled is sitting just off to our northwest. But that's going to continue to move out of the way. High pressure is going to build in, and that's going to lead to those lower rain chances. The humidity is not going anywhere, so as our temperatures climb, so will the heat index values, and we'll get into more of those details in just a moment. In the meantime, here's a live look outside with our Beau Rivage tower camera looking towards downtown Mobile, and it's nice and clear. You can see all the way to the downtown skyline behind the temperatures, of course. Currently sitting at 75 degrees, dew point temperatures at 71. Again, there's plenty of humidity in the air, but it feels pretty comfortable out for this time of the year. As we move through tonight, those temperatures will be dropping into the low and mid 70s for overnight lows, unless you're right along Highway 84, where overnight lows will be dropping potentially into the upper 60s, and then down towards the beach, overnight lows more so ranging in the mid to upper 70s. As we look at our day planner for our Wednesday, halfway point of the week, temperatures will be warming up pretty steadily. We should be in the upper 80s by your lunch hour, and throughout the first part of the day, notice that rain chance only around 10%, but it's not a 0% rain chance. And then during the heart of the afternoon, daytime highs mainly topping out in the upper 80s and low 90s with a slight 20% chance that an isolated shower or thunderstorm finds you. As for those daytime highs, again, as mentioned, most will see daytime highs range in the upper 80s and low 90s, which is actually where we should be for this time of year. You add on the humidity, heat index values will be around the century mark. If you're along Highway 84, though, still could be just that fraction cooler with daytime highs reaching the mid to upper 80s. So let's go ahead and time things out for you. And I'll start the forecast tracker at 11 o'clock tonight. As we move through tonight, not a whole lot to see, maybe a slim chance for a few stray showers first thing on our Wednesday. Then as we move into the afternoon, that slight 20% chance for isolated showers and storms. The best chance of wet weather will favor areas north of I-10, but there will be at least a slim 10% chance down towards the beach. And then we basically do it all over again on our Thursday with just a few pop-up showers and storms mainly in the afternoon. Here's a look at the heat index values expected over the next 5 days. So really not too bad for our Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures, though, they will continue to climb. And by Friday into this weekend, most spots will see daytime highs in the mid 90s, and heat index values will likely range anywhere between 105 and 110. It's going to be getting pretty steamy out there as we round out this week and move into this weekend, which if you're going down to the beach is not necessarily a bad thing. You can see the blues flying across your screen right there because breakfast with the blues is tomorrow. And then of course we'll lead up to the Pensacola Beach Air Show on Saturday for our Thursday and Friday. If you're going down to the beach the next few days, surf height around 1 to 2 feet. You'll likely see yellow flags flying, and even daytime highs will be climbing if you're at the beach as well. But it's really good beach conditions for this time of year. On our 7-day tracker, daytime highs climbing through the 90s over the next few days, lows in the 70s, relatively low rain chances before we're back to normal summertime rain chances this weekend. Then highs could push into the upper 90s by early next week.